Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another CVS deal breakdown for the week of April 29th through May 5th. So this week we have a lot of makeup deals and a few other deals. I didn't really come up with that many deals because I won't be actually going couponing on Sunday this week because I'm actually going to be out of town. I'm going to be out of town when you guys are watching this as well, but I will be going couponing when I get back, so probably later on in the week I will be going couponing. But for the deal breakdown, I did want to go ahead and get it up for you guys that are going to be out couponing. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So for makeup, CoverGirl is going to be buy two get a $5 ECB. I didn't really come up with a deal here because we've had so many CoverGirl deals in the past that I know you guys are probably tired of it, but we still have a few coupons left over from the past few weeks, and we are also getting some more in this week's paper. Also, last week I got a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT, so you definitely want to use that as well, and you should come up with a really good deal with all of those coupons. So yeah, a lot of these deals are repeats. Like the Maybelline one is really the same one from last week, so you want to just pick up 2 more extra eyeshadows, or you can look back on the deal breakdown last week and see the mascara one that I came up with. I may include it in the printable list, but it's not actually in this video. But Maybelline is the same, Rimmel is the same from last week, Almay is also the same, so all 3 of those are actually the same. The only difference this week is actually Physicians Formula, and if you buy 2 you get a $10 ECB. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 2 of the Insta-Ready eyeliners. They're $5.99 each. That's gonna bring me to $11.98. I'm gonna use my 3 off of 15 CRT, pay $8.98 out of pocket, and get back $10. So a really good deal there. Also, Revlon is buy one get one 50% off. We are not getting any ECBs with this, but we still have some Revlon coupons, and I got a 3 off of 12 Revlon CRT last week. So if you guys did get that, then you may want to use that with this and just, you know, get rid of some of those coupons. So moving on to skincare. L'Oreal facial care this week is going to be on promotion for spend 30 get a $10 NCB. We still have some of those $2 off L'Oreal skincare coupons from the 4A Retail Me Not, and we also have a 6 off of 24 CRT. At least I got one last week, so if you got one last week, then you definitely want to use that along with it. For hair this week, we have some really good deals. We have the Garnier Whole Blend. It's going to be 2 for $7, and if you buy 2 you get a $2 ECB. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them, use 2 of the $2 off one manufacturing coupon that we're going to get in Retail Me Not this week. You're going to pay $3, but you're going to get $2 back, making it only $1. So it's really good, 50 cents each. Really good deal. Also, Nexus is going to be on promotion again for spend 20 get a $10 ECB. They always have this deal, but I just wanted to mention it just in case you guys want to do it, because you guys know I love Nexus. So yeah, alright, so personal things this week is Listerine. I'm going to actually pick up some more Listerine. Listerine is actually going to be on promotion for buy 2 get a $4 ECB, or buy 3 get a $8 ECB. So what I'm going to do is actually get 3 Listerines, pay $5.90. Oh, they're $5.99 each. I'm gonna pay $17.98. Use 3 of the $1 off Listerine coupons that we got from the Smart Source 4A, I believe, and then use any mouthwash CRTs that you may get from CVS. Pay $14.97 or less with the CRTs. I'm not really sure because sometimes I scan my card and I get more CRTs than I actually have. But right now pay $14.97 and get back $8, so it should come out to be a pretty decent deal because that's about what, 2 something each. So pretty good deal, at least I think so. Yeah. Alright, and then Sally Hansen nail color or treatments are going to be buy 2 get $5 ECB. So what I'm going to do is pick up 2 of the hardest nails. They're $3.99. I'm going to use 2 of the $1 off of 1 printable coupons for Smart Source. I believe they were also in the Smart Source, but I printed mine off of Smart Source's website, so they're no longer available, but I'm going to use 2 of those. I'm going to pay $5.98 but get $5 back in ECB, making them only 98 cents each. Well, 98 cents together, so what's that, 49 cents each? Yeah, 49 cents each. And then Revlon nail color is going to be on promotion this week for $4.99, and if you buy 1 you're gonna get a $3 ECB. So you can also use one of the $1 off of any Revlon nail colors that we got in the Smart Source 4.8, and you're gonna pay $3.98 out of pocket but get $3 back in the ECBs, so making it only 99 cents for the nail polish, which is really good because you guys know Mother's Day is coming up, and I don't know about you guys, but I know my mom and grandma and all them love nail polish, so yeah, I'm gonna stock up while I can. So really good deal there. So that is pretty much it. Those are all of the deals that I have this week. Like I said, I won't be doing a come shop with me video on tomorrow, but I will post it when I do go later on in the week. So but I still want to know some deals that you guys pick up, so let me know you guys' deals in the comment below if you guys come back to this video and let me know, because I probably won't post until I get back anyway. So or you can let me know on social media, whatever you guys want to do. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.